Hi everyone, Ruby Retrograde Tarot and Tate here, and what will I be serving up for you guys today is the start of my international unboxing tarot flip through and discovery. And today what I will be showing you guys is the Alchemia Tarot Deck, which was created by Ako let me see. Aki Morimura and Tataki. So this, if you saw the previous video, is part of the tarot goodies that I got all the way from Japan that were sent to me. And now we are going to discover all together, well, pretty much, well, nearly all of the decks that I got, and we're just gonna go and flip through and get to know these cards better, especially international ones that we may not always see over here, at least here in Canada. So this version of Alchemia Tarot, if I remember correctly, and I'm sure someone can correct me if I'm wrong, there are two different versions of this. There is one where the cards are bigger size, and there's a mini version. This here is the mini version, as you can see here. So I decided to get a mini version of the cards. So without further ado, as you can see, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I had gotten this deck, I believe it might have been in the used section of the website. If you're curious about it, I just realized that I didn't mention in my last video what was the website that I went to, that was shared with us in the Tarot Discord server. It's called the Card Visionary. So I believe I got from their used section of the site. So without further ado, I will go right ahead and remove the plastic film, and actually I will just pause the video so you won't have to see me, pull out scissors and struggle with it, because if you notice, I mean, when they say wrap it up, like they really did. They did not leave. They barely left any purchase for me to kind of grab. Oh, actually, there is a removable here, so maybe I won't have to pause the video. If it takes too long, I will, but I think I will be okay. Let's go and do that. If you see a skip, it's because I struggled with this for way too long than I should. So, just so you know. All right, and I think I might have to get some scissors, so give me one moment. Okay, we're back, and I made it. So here we are without the wrapper. Here is the deck, and actually it looks more of a box than anything else. Inside, it kind of looks like those books that come in a box. When you have a whole series, and they just come in a little holder box. So there we are. So let us go and pull these out. And what are we going to have? All right, so we have two parts here. Let's pull this one out as well. Here we go. We have the Tarot Deck Mini, and I believe this is the handbook. Okay. Oh, we have some card readings. Now, not fortunately for me, my Japanese reading skills are, I will say, next to nil. Very elementary, probably at like kindergarten level. But that is okay. It looks to be inspired by Rider-Waite Smith, so I can kind of go off of those depictions. So if you kind of see here, we have the keywords, we have what the card is, the name, keywords about it, just a little picture of the card. It is in black and white, a story, which, I wish I could kind of tell you what the snippets are, but I can, at least not right now, and other information. So I guess it'll be just a slow going of, oh, and there are some spreads that we can do. Let's see, horoscope, spiral, no. Oh, horoscope spread. Okay, and then we have a Kerotic Cross, Spreado. And then what else? Okay, and then a 30 card spread, so 3 card spread. And then just one. So here we go. So let's put this aside. So this will go in the box like this. And we'll put it here. And then, interesting, they put it in just a little box. Oh, there. And here you go. Oh, look at that. I thought it was gonna be just a very large kind of tuck box type of thing, but no, it just kind of opens up like this, and you have indeed mini cards. Those are mini, and with a little something here, I guess, to kind of promote the company here. And these are the cards, as you can see. They're, I mean, I'll say I have you know, I have big hands, and as you can see, they're about the size of my palm. Okay. The cardstock is, it sounds good from the way I'm listening to it. And so let's take a look at the cards. So we are going to start here with the full, if my phone would mind zooming in, because I feel like it's not zooming in very well. So sorry if it looks a bit blurry. It's not the cards that are blurry. And as you can see, the back of the cards. Magician. Ooh, this High Priestess feels, to me, it reminds me of that Heaven and Earth deck, where it kind of looks Virgin Mary-esque. Ambrius. Sorry, I'm trying to get the ring lights away from it, so there is a little bit of a shine to the finish of the cards. And what I'm noticing is for the titles, they put a period to the end of everything. Hierophant. Oh, there. I thought this was, for some reason, I thought this was the Judgment card, but it is the Lovers. I think it was in this video or previous one I mentioned I thought this was Judgment, but nope. And I don't know if it's me, why does it look like a Final Fantasy type of photo there? That's just a side note. I just thought of that. Chariot. Strength. Hermit. The Hermit doesn't look like it's in the middle of a cave or a forest. It kind of looks like it's like somewhere in the universe, just walking through the cosmos or something, just because of the background. To me. Then the Wheel of Fortune. Interesting. We got the Justice here with some wings. The Hangman. Death. Looks pretty ethereal, and I like this whole, it looks like the cape is kind of dragging the knight in type of thing. And then there's, you know, the lighter part over here. Temperance, looking pretty cool. Okay, look at this relaxed looking devil. I mean, this is a devil may care type of just chill attitude. Sorry, oh my goodness, my camera is not focusing right now. There we are. Tower. Ooh, the Star. Look at that. The Moon. Interesting. An interesting way of picturing out the moon there with, I guess, a celestial being, maybe an angel, a spirit, a guide maybe. And the sun. Oh, wait, look at that. We have a magical being for the sun and a, well, I say magical being, but does it look like it would be the same person? Let me know. Well, maybe not, because the hair color is kind of different in the style too, but they look like they could be almost related. But we have the sun here. And there is Judgment. Oh yeah, no, I was right. It was that card that was at the back of the box. So I was right. It is Judgment. Sorry, never mind what I said about the Lovers earlier. And finally, the World card. Now, looking through the cards, I don't want to mess the name up, but it's just the style and the way the way the pictures are created and designed. I don't know about you guys. It's kind of giving me giving me this a style that is similar to, oh, what is his name? He created the Tarot Royale. Is it Tarot Royale deck? And yeah, Tarot Royale, I think it's called. I believe it's Kiro Marchetti. It's kind of giving me that style, Kiro Marchetti style of design. If I'm wrong about the name, I'll write it down somewhere. But in any case, so here we are. And as I said, the cardstock, you know, it looked mini when I looked at it. I'm like, oh, is it gonna feel flimsy? No, I'm looking, they're pretty solid here. If I just now it is 20, since it's 22 cards, it is, I'm gonna see how I can shuffle this with 22 cards. I find when there's like a small amount of cards I have to riffle through, I'm afraid of. Okay, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Okay, if I shuffle again, let's see. You can kind of pull this off, but you know, as opposed to having 78 cards where, oh, and this is what fling out. This is the card that flung out. The World. Maybe it's signaling me that it's time to end this video soon, because it is quite late right now. It is about, what time is it right now? Oh, nearly 2:30 in the morning. As you can see, I am a night owl, sleep late, and sometimes regret it the next morning. But yeah, but as I was saying, it's a different feel when you're shuffling with just 22 cards versus 78. I mean, 78, I guess to me, you have a bit more leeway of how much pressure you want to put when you're shuffling and doing your riffle shuffles and whatever. But just 22-ish, it's not bad. Just shuffling like this, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Oh, look, I put it a bit less. But even then, no, they're pretty sturdy. I'm happy with them. So this is it. The Alchemia, and it has a little bit of bend now that I'm, yeah, just a little bit. I don't know if it's just the way it was made or whatever, but here we are. The first of my international box unboxing and flip through, the Alchemia. So tell me, you guys, what do you think? How do you like them? Anything else? Put it in the comment section. Oop, fingers down below here. Boop, boop. And until next time, thank you for spending some time with me and watching this flip through. And until next time, bye-bye. And in my case, good night.